Yogi Surajnath, Guru Buddhanath ji with Gorakh Sabadis, the sayings of Gorakhnath. Sabadi number 271. रहता हमारे गुरु बोलिए, हम रहता का चेला, मन माने तो संगी फिरे, नहीं तर फिरे अकेला. Translation by Bhagwan Nath and Surajnath. He lives life, he is my guru, I live as his disciple. If the mind agrees, roam together, otherwise go up alone. Some explanation in both Hindi and English. हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में कुछ स्पष्टीकरण. इस शब्द के साथ भी सारी शब्दियों के साथ बारीकी के साथ नोट्स है. सो इस शब्द के साथ भी है और उस नोट्स को ही हम बारीकी से सहज रूप से पढ़ते हैं और वही बारीक एक्सप्लेनेशन है. धर्म की सारी बात में आधिकारिकता व अवलंबन मानसिकता की जगह नहीं है. समझदार मनुष्य यह देखने के लिए खुला होता है कि वह कहाँ गुरु है और कहाँ चेला. सिद्धों में यह बात प्रसिद्ध है कि गुरु की करनी गुरु जाएगा, चेले की करनी चेला. गोरख एक मित्रवत गाइड है. नाथ व सिद्ध, नाथ सिद्ध व बुद्ध चेतना एक ही बात है. बुद्ध कहते हैं अत्ताही, बुद्ध कहते हैं अत्ताही अत्तनो नाथो, अत्ताही अत्तनो गति, अत्ताही अत्तनो नाथो, कोई ही नाथो परोशिया, अत्तना ही सुदंतेन नाथं लभति दुर्लभं. धर्म के नाम पर किसी भी बात में विश्वास ना करें, चाहे जहाँ भी आपने उसे पढ़ा है या किसी ने भी कहा है. बुद्ध, गोरख या किसी अन्य ने कहा है तो भी नहीं, जब तक कि वह आपकी सूझबूझ के साथ, कॉमन सेंस के साथ मेल से नहीं है. Some explanation in English. So, as there are so many critical notes acutely presented, and let us read here the note with the sabadi, and that is the explanation. There is no place for authority and dependency in all this. A wise person is open to seeing where he is a guru and where a disciple is, or where he himself is a disciple. There is a Siddha saying common among Nath sadhus which goes, गुरु की करनी गुरु जाएगा, चेले की करनी चेला. That is, a guru is known by his deeds and a disciple is known by his. Gorakh is a friendly guide. Nath Siddhas and Buddhas are one in spirit. Buddha says, Attahi attano natho, attahi attano gati, and so on. That is, you really are your master. You really are your own master psychologically. You are responsible for where you are going within, in spirituality, in psychologically. You really are your own master. Who else could be your master? Work hard on yourself and find the mastery so hard to find. Buddha. That is, Attahi attano natho, attahi attano gati, attahi attano natho, kohi natho paroshiya, attanahi sudantena nathang labati dullabham. Buddha. In religious matters, believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who has said it. Not even Buddha, Gorakh and so on, or anyone else has said it. In religious matters, believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who has said it. Not even Buddha, Gorakh, or anyone else has said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and common sense. Jagat Guru man hi man dekh. Look for the word teacher within yourself. Gorakh. Attadipo bhava. Be a light unto yourself. Buddha, Jiddu, and such. Gorakh denies Gurudom altogether. And without depending on any person or book, inner journey cannot be made. There is no possibility. That is journey into the known, into beliefs, into traditions, into ideologies, and that journey is in time, sorrow, and ignorance. That is what time, sorrow, and ignorance is. Depending on books for physical life, day-to-day life, science, mathematics, technology, etc. It's all right. It's understood. There we are open to update things, to explore things, and to update our knowledge regarding to that as well. But psychologically, any dependency is to be remaining in the known, in traditions, in beliefs. When I always stuck in that tradition, so wholeness of the mind is not at all possible therein, with the known, with having beliefs and ideologies in mind. Freedom from the known and the Bala sense, being childlike open, not childish, being childlike open, intelligent, observing, learning, and that way we be a light unto ourselves. Jagat Guru Manhi Mandek. Look for the word teacher within yourself, Gorak. Be a light unto yourself, Buddha and Chitu. Attadipo Bhava. दसपदी रहता हमारे गुरु बोलिए, हम रहता का चेला, मन माने तो संगी फिरो, नहीं तो फिरे, नहीं तर फिरे अकेला, मन माने तो संगी फिरे, नहीं तर फिरे अकेला. He lives life, he is my guru, I live as his disciple. If the mind agrees, roam together, otherwise go off alone.